Okay, this is gonna be the fastest guy that's gonna go. Okay. This is the fastest guy that's gonna go around the whole thing 2 times. Because this is really long. It's like 3.5 miles.
3.
Go.
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. I'd rather just stay here, so. You see him? He's right there. It's right there. You see that white stuff that's moving? That's he's going. That looks there. There he is, right there. Whoop, whoop. Right there, can you see him? He's coming, he's coming! I gotta get out the way, he's gonna crash into me! Ah! Okay. I'm okay.
Alright.
This is the first guy that made it all the way because everybody thought it was too long. And some of them even passed out. We had to call the ambulance. So there you go. That's the first guy that did it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.